Well, Indiana's best political team says Braun's order on Medicaid advertising aligns with his overall strategy, though they disagree on what that means. We discuss the implications of his orders for this week's episode of All Indiana Politics.
I think that, Governor Braun is more focused on making sure that the people that need Medicaid get Medicaid. I don't think that this is a big issue with stopping the advertising of Medicaid. Under the 4 years of Joe Biden, he was trying to push people onto Medicaid as much as possible. So there's a lot of people, I believe, that are using Medicaid as a method of health insurance that truly don't need it or are qualified for it. I believe that Governor Braun is focused on making sure that the people that truly need Medicaid, we talk about 1 in 4 Hoosiers utilize Medicaid. So, I think it's important that we make sure that the people that truly need Medicaid are qualified for Medicaid, get the benefits and get the services needed. The question is, are there people on there that are getting Medicaid services that don't need it? Yes, there are.
Well, Laura, let's talk, though, a little bit more about the role of Medicaid advertising. So how much awareness is there typically among those who are eligible for Medicaid about what to do, where to go?
Well, I think their goal here is clearly to limit and lower their enrollment numbers. There's no question. When you stop advertising, when you stop communicating with people to tell them about a public service that is available to the public, particularly those people who need it the most, that means you don't want them to sign up for it. So it's disingenuous to go on and on about it being a broken program, and that's not really what the goal and objective is. It is to limit coverage of people who need Medicaid. And I think that's abundantly clear by what they're doing. And this is just fitting a pattern of what we're seeing Mike Braun doing with his budget. Particularly, he wants to cut $50 million in local public health programs, which ultimately are boosting healthcare and health outcomes and have been proven to do that.
And you can see much more of that discussion this Sunday on All Indiana Politics. It airs at 9:30 right here on Wish TV.